Hello, NHS member. Welcome to the February NHS virtual meeting. You will need to complete the Google form that is located in the NHS Schoology group and answer a few questions about this meeting to mark your attendance for February. Those Google form responses are due by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, February 20th for you to be counted present to this meeting. So any responses after 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, February 20th will be marked as an absence and will require an additional service project hour. We recently helped out with the ACT helpers this past Saturday, so thanks for those of you that participated in that service project. And we also helped raise $684 for the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society through a Teacher Jeans Week and the basketball tournament raffle a few weeks back. So thanks for all that helped, either with those activities or who donated money for that. So all of that money does go to the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society. Our upcoming service projects include the NHS Blood Drive, which is occurring on Tuesday, February 22nd in the A Gym. We do still need some volunteers to fill some open slots, and this is the last major service project opportunity for those of you that are still needing hours. If you have your hours completed but would like to fill the needs that we see here on these following slides, please sign up using the form located in our Schoology group. These are the people that are currently signed up to assist with setup and hours 1 through 5. These are those that are signed up to assist 6th and 7th hour as well as cleanup. We still could use some help during 1st, 2nd, and 4th hour. So if you are a CA, you have a learning lab, or if you're still needing service project hours, this is a great way during the school day that you can get hours towards earning your STOL. We will be sending out emails to all of your teachers for the hours that you will miss, just to make sure that they will approve you missing that time. So it's always a great idea to talk to them, to let them know that you will be missing. And if they are concerned about your absence, we will ask that you go to class instead of coming to help at the blood drive. We still have some Special Olympics basketball events that are coming up. Our next one on February 22nd. There will still be opportunities from 6 to 6:45 p.m. and then from 7 to 8:15 p.m. There's some individual skills as well as a 5-on-5. That information is available in Schoology, and more information is in the November meeting slideshow that you can also find in our Schoology group. Starting March 1st, there will only be 5-on-5 team practice that will be occurring from 6 to 7 p.m. still at Longview Farm Elementary. You can use the same form for March 1st, 8th, and 15th. Just note that there will not be any individual skills practice occurring during those days. We also have Special Olympics track and field that will start Monday, March 7th. It does go through May 16th, but your opportunities will end at the end of March because you need to have your service project hours completed by the spring induction, which is March 31st. So if you're needing some extra hours or you want to help out with these Special Olympians, this will occur from 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. on these Mondays starting March 7th at Bernard Campbell Middle School track, which is up on Colburn Road. It's right behind the school. Just note that there is some construction, so make sure that you're arriving in enough time to be able to make it to the track by 5:30 p.m. Signups will be coming to Schoology very soon. They're not quite ready, but we will be getting those sign-up forms in there soon. We also have a need to help with our Lee Summit High School enrollment conferences on March 9th and 10th. NHS members will be running completed enrollment documents to the counseling center from either the field house or from classrooms around our building. You will get dinner provided. There are 2 shifts available on both days. The first shift is from 3 to 5 p.m. The second shift is from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. So if you sign up to help on Wednesday, March 9th, you will report to the field house. You sign up for Thursday, March 10th, you will report to the A Gym. And Dr. Morris is asking that you're there at 3 o'clock or 5:20, just depending on your shift time, so that you can get a little bit of training. Dinner will be provided kind of in between those times, so if you'd like to stay for dinner or come a little bit early, you are welcome to do that. We need 6 volunteers each shift on Wednesday and 14 volunteers each shift on Thursday. So our spreadsheet shut off is not working anymore. So you will want to make sure that you're checking those spreadsheets in Schoology to ensure availability. But this is another great opportunity, guys. There's lots of hours here. So great opportunity for you to help out if you're needing service project hours, or even if you've completed them, especially as we get closer to March 9th and 10th, if you would make sure that you go back in there and sign up to help us out here. So this is something that they depend on NHS members to help with, and we would really appreciate your help. We do want to remind you to check the service project completion spreadsheet. We did send out letters to those who were still needing hours a few weeks ago. So make sure you're checking that. If you miss any of these meetings, you miss induction, there are additional hours. And remember, if you miss too many things, you will end up with a faculty council review that will kind of just review your standing in NHS. So we don't want that. So make sure you're doing what you need to do. Check that again. You're going to go to Schoology, going to go to the NHS Schoology group, go to resources, and then this service project checklist is at the very top. If you're needing to check service projects, that folder is toward the bottom. These are the people that are still needing hours as of February 13th. This does not include any hours that you've signed up for, but you have not completed. That includes the NHS blood drive signups today at lunch. We obviously won't have those on Thursday. If we're back at school, we will have those on Friday. Also want to encourage you to sign up to donate blood, or to encourage your friends or family members to do so. There are still lots of signups available. I did put the link to that in Schoology, so it is there for you. It is also available on the Lee Summit High School webpage. Spring induction is Thursday, March 31st. That will be your final obligation for NHS this school year as far as meetings. 6:30 p.m. is when you will need to arrive. We will have more details coming. It is a formal dress-up event, so make sure that you're there. If you have any conflict, please make sure that you are emailing a sponsor, and that conflict would be a school-related conflict. So if you are working in the evenings, make sure that you are asking for that day off. Plenty of time. We've been having that in each meeting slideshow for the last few months. And finally, our next meeting is March 17th at 7 a.m. scheduled for the lecture hall. Today we were going to have some donuts for you, but because of the inclement weather, we did have to cancel that. At the next meeting, we do plan another sweet treat for you, so make sure that you're there. March 17th, it's a great day, special day, so make sure you're there at 7 a.m. That will be, again, the last formal meeting for you guys, and then you will have induction. So we're getting really close. Make sure you're doing the right things. You still are NHS members through the end of the school year, so you do need to make sure, and actually for life, but you do need to make sure that you're making good decisions as we finish out this school year. Want to avoid anything that's going to put your NHS status in jeopardy. So make good decisions. Make sure you're following those 4 pillars that were used as a basis for your induction into National Honor Society. So stay safe, stay warm, and we will see you on March 17th. Have a great day. Don't forget to fill out the form.